Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just listed this 2019 350 Realm at Boston Whaler. Great combination boat. The sure shade here off the aft section. Grill. It's great for entertaining. The big Raymarine electronic screens. Air conditioning at the helm. Nice forward area. Plenty of padding. Table goes up and down. There's a windlass in the forward. Operated by the table switch is operated over there. So open HD color radar. There's a weather curtain package for the boat as well. It is taken off for the video. Nice transom seating. Refrigerator, the grill, like I said, this is a cool box. So you can open it like it is here, or you can open it here to access to get drinks out of. Easier to load when it's open like that. Fish boxes on both sides. Engine flush system, which is nice. Live well. Moving forward, you have twin seats, air conditioning system that keep you nice and cool. Complete helm, joystick, upgraded stereo system. This boat sound system is amazing. Windshield at the front of you got a vent at the windshield. Down to the cabin, plenty of room to stay overnight. There's a filler piece here that converts this into a berth. Have entertainment system, control systems here, lighting switches, easy to control, LED lighting inside the cabin, different colors to choose from, and the head's nicely appointed with a fold down teak seat for when you're showering. This boat has 222 hours on it. It's really great shape, and platinum extended warranty on the generator and all systems. So give us a call. 2019 350 Realm, MarineMax Savannah, Chet Porter. Thank you.